How to grow purple dragon fruit from cuttings for beginners. Growing purple dragon fruit, also known as pitaya, from cuttings can be a great way for beginners to start their own plants. Here are the steps to get started. 1. Obtain a healthy cutting. You can obtain a cutting from a mature dragon fruit plant by carefully cutting a 12 to 18 inch, 30 to 45 centimeters, section from a healthy stem. Make sure the cutting is at least 1 to 2 inches, 2.5 to 5 centimeters, in diameter and has no signs of damage or disease. 2. Let the cutting dry. After you have obtained the cutting, let it dry for 1 to 2 weeks in a cool, dry place. This will allow the cut end to callus over and prevent it from rotting when planted. 3. Prepare a container. Choose a pot or container that is at least 10 to 12 inches, 25 to 30 centimeters, in diameter and has drainage holes at the bottom. Fill it with well-draining soil mixed with compost. 4. Plant the cutting. Make a small hole in the soil and plant the cutting with the calloused end facing down. Gently press the soil around the cutting to secure it. 5. Water the cutting. Water the cutting thoroughly until the soil is evenly moist. After the initial watering, water the cutting once a week or when the soil feels dry to the touch. 6. Provide support. As the cutting grows, it will need support to climb. Install a trellis or stake near the cutting and tie it to the support using soft ties. 7. Provide light and warmth. Place the container in a warm, sunny location with at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight each day. 8. Monitor the plant. Monitor the plant regularly for any signs of pests, diseases or nutrient deficiencies. Fertilize the plant once a month with a balanced fertilizer to encourage healthy growth. With patience and proper care, your purple dragon fruit cutting should begin to grow and produce fruit in about 2 to 3 years.